Hi, friends, and welcome back to a new video. Today, you will hear a simple story. But this story is not only about a boy, it is a story about kindness. It is a story about helping others. And it is a story about small actions that change everything. As you listen, try to imagine the place: a quiet village, a slow river, a young boy with a kind heart. Listen carefully to what happens. Listen to how Tom helps others. And think about this question: what would you do if you were Tom? At the end of the story, you will answer questions and practice your English. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin the story. Once upon a time, there was a quiet village near a wide river and a deep green forest. The village was small, but it was full of life. People woke up early, worked during the day, and rested at night. The houses in the village were simple. Some were made of wood and some were made of stone. Flowers grew near the doors, and children played in the streets. In this village lived a young boy named Tom. Tom lived with his grandmother in a small wooden house near the river. The house was old, but it was warm and clean. Every morning, Tom woke up when the sun rose. He heard birds singing outside his window. He got out of bed and stretched his arms. Tom washed his face with cold water. He brushed his teeth and combed his hair. Then he went to the kitchen. His grandmother was already awake. She moved slowly but smiled often. She liked quiet mornings. She cooked breakfast every day. Sometimes she made bread. Sometimes she made warm soup. Tom sat at the table and ate. He listened to his grandmother's stories. She told stories about the village and the forest. After breakfast, Tom put on his shoes. He took his school bag. Then he left the house. Tom walked to school with other children. They walked along the river. They talked and laughed together. At school, Tom sat near the window. He liked to see the trees outside. He listened carefully to the teacher. He learned to read words and write sentences. He learned numbers and songs. He liked learning new things. When school ended, Tom walked home. Sometimes he stopped by the river. He threw small stones into the water. At home, Tom helped his grandmother. He carried water and picked vegetables. He liked helping her. One quiet afternoon, Tom went into the forest. The air was cool and fresh. Sunlight came through the trees. Tom wanted to pick berries for dinner. He walked slowly and looked around. He enjoyed the quiet sounds. Suddenly, Tom heard a soft sound. It sounded like crying. He stopped and listened. He looked down and saw a small bird. The bird was on the ground. One wing was hurt. The bird tried to move but could not fly. It looked scared and weak. Tom felt sad. Tom sat down very slowly. He did not want to scare the bird. He spoke in a soft voice. "It's okay," Tom said. "I will help you." He picked up the bird carefully. He held it close to his chest. Then he walked home. At home, Tom made a small bed for the bird. He used a box and soft cloth. He placed the bird inside. He gave the bird water. He gave it small pieces of food. The bird rested quietly. Every day, Tom cared for the bird. He checked its wing. He spoke kindly to it. His grandmother watched him. She did not say much, but she smiled. Days passed slowly. The bird became stronger. It began to move its wings. One morning, the bird chirped loudly. It jumped inside the box. Tom knew the bird was ready. Tom felt happy but also sad. He liked the bird, but he knew it must be free. Early the next day, Tom went back to the forest. He stood near the tall trees. He opened the box. The bird flew out. It flew in circles above Tom. Then it flew away. Tom waved goodbye. He stood quietly for a moment. Then he walked home. The days continued. The seasons changed. Spring became summer. Tom grew taller and stronger. He learned more at school. He helped his grandmother every day. One summer, something changed in the village. The river became dirty. The water moved slowly. Fish disappeared. Plants near the river died. People became worried. The villagers met in the square. They talked for many hours. They did not know what to do. Tom listened quietly. He remembered the bird. He remembered how care helped it heal. Tom stood up. His voice was calm. He said everyone must help the river. He said they must clean it. He said they must protect the forest. The villagers listened. The next day, people began to work. They cleaned the river together. They planted new trees. Children helped. Adults helped. Everyone worked side by side. Slowly, the river became clear again. Fish returned to the water. Birds came back to the trees. The village felt alive again. People smiled more. They thanked Tom. Tom did not feel proud. He felt grateful. He learned that kindness can grow. Years passed. Tom became a young man. He stayed in the village. He cared for his grandmother. He helped people and animals. He protected the river and the forest. One evening, Tom sat by the river. The sun was low in the sky. The water was calm. He remembered the small bird. He remembered his grandmother's stories. He smiled. The village was peaceful. Life was simple and good. Kindness lived in every heart, and they lived peacefully and happily ever after. Now, let's answer some questions. Listen carefully. Question 1. Where does Tom live? Tom lives in a quiet village by the river. Question 2. Who does Tom live with? Tom lives with his grandmother. Question 3. What does Tom do every morning? He wakes up early and helps his grandmother. Question 4. Where does Tom go after breakfast? He goes to school. Question 5. What does Tom find in the forest? He finds a small bird. Question 6. Why does the bird need help? The bird is hurt and cannot fly. Question 7. How does Tom help the bird? He takes the bird home and cares for it. Question 8. What happens to the bird at the end? The bird flies back into the sky. Question 9. What problem does the village have? The river becomes dirty. Question 10. How do the people fix the problem? They clean the river together. Final question. What does Tom learn? Tom learns that kindness is important.